Japanese walking for 30 minutes and Tai Chi walking for 30 minutes. Why belly fat is different in seniors? That's the big difference. Fat loss is not just about burning calories. Stress hormones matter. Muscle preservation after 6, and that's the huge advantage of Japanese walking. That's the complete guide for aging fitness. Japanese walking versus Tai Chi walking. Which really burns belly fat for seniors? What if I told you that slow, gentle movement might shrink your belly fat, but structured walking could melt it even faster? Most seniors are told to just walk more, and others are told to slow down and meditate with movement. But today on Ishana, we are answering one powerful question. That is, Japanese walking or Tai Chi? Which one actually burns more dangerous belly fat after 50? Not opinions, not tradition. Just real science, real metabolism, and real results. So stay till the end because the winner might surprise you. First thing first, let's understand why belly fat is different in seniors. The fat around your waist after 50 is not normal fat. It's called visceral fat. And this fat wraps around your organs like liver, pancreas, and heart. And it increases the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, stroke, and memory decline. After menopause or andropause, metabolism drops nearly 1 to 2% per year. So seniors don't just need movement, they need metabolic activation. And that's the keyword. Remember, if slow walking does not raise your heart rate, your belly fat does not even care. So let's understand in short, what is Japanese walking? Japanese walking is also called Japanese interval walking. It was developed by Japanese researchers to help older adults burn fat without joint damage. Here's how it works. It has a simple structure. Walk fast for 3 minutes, walk slow for 3 minutes, and repeat for 30 minutes. That's it. No gym, no machines, no complex poses. But this creates something powerful, and that is metabolic spikes. Your body switches between fat burning to recovery to fat burning again. This trains your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside your cells. More mitochondria is equals to more fat burned even while resting. Study shows seniors doing this style of walking can improve blood sugar, blood pressure, VO2 max, and abdominal fat. Some research even shows 2x fat loss compared to normal walking. Now let's understand why Japanese walking targets belly fat so well. The reason is quite amazing. Because it activates fat oxidation, it helps the body to learn how to use fat as fuel. Number 2, fat burn effect, EPOC. It helps your body to keep burning calories even after finishing walking for hours. And number 3, core engagement. Fast walking naturally tightens your abdominal wall. That means no crunches needed. But do you know, just 30 minutes of interval walking can burn 20 to 40% more calories than steady walking, even at the same total time. Now, let's understand in short what is Tai Chi walking. Tai Chi comes from ancient Chinese martial arts. It uses slow flowing movements combined with breathing and balance. It looks gentle, almost like moving meditation. Tai Chi is amazing for joint mobility, fall prevention, stress reduction, mental calmness, and balance. And yes, it does burn calories too. But here's the honest truth. Tai Chi typically burns 150 to 250 calories per hour for seniors. That's similar to light housework. So while Tai Chi improves quality of movement, it does not strongly challenge metabolism. But remember, Tai Chi trains your mind, and Japanese walking trains your metabolism. That's the big difference. Now comes one of the most important part of the video, the calorie comparison. Let's put them side by side. Japanese walking for 30 minutes and Tai Chi walking for 30 minutes. The benefit of Japanese walking are, it burns 200 to 300 calories, high heart rate zones, fat burning hormones activated, and strong fat burn. Whereas Tai Chi walking helps in burning 70 to 120 calories, low heart rate, minimal afterburn, and mostly flexibility and balance. So, purely for belly fat, Japanese walking clearly wins. But wait, fat loss is not just about burning calories. It's about consistency, and sustainability for seniors matters a lot. Here's Tai Chi science. Even after knowing Japanese walking burns more belly fat, many seniors stick with Tai Chi. And the reasons are, it feels peaceful, no sweating, social classes, and low intimidation. Japanese walking feels harder at first. But once seniors adapt, they often report better stamina, faster walking speed, less knee pain, and improved mood. So, long-term adherence becomes equal. But remember, the main question, which burns more belly fat? We are getting too close to it. But one thing is, stress hormones matter. High cortisol is equals to stubborn belly fat, and Tai Chi reduces cortisol beautifully. But Japanese walking reduces cortisol too, but through physical exertion. So here's the insight. Tai Chi helps emotionally driven belly fat, and Japanese walking attacks metabolically driven belly fat, and most seniors have both. Now let's understand muscle preservation after 60. After 60, you lose muscle every year, unless you challenge it. And Tai Chi uses gentle resistance. But Japanese walking uses glutes, hamstrings, calves, and core. That means more muscles is equals to higher resting metabolism. That again means you burn more fat even while sleeping. And that's a huge advantage of Japanese walking. Now comes expert insight moment. Doctors often emphasize that simple daily movement combined with short intensity bursts is one of the fastest way to reduce visceral fat without even extreme dieting. That's exactly what Japanese walking provides. But wait, safety for aging bodies is also important. So let's be clear, both are safe. But Tai Chi is lowest injury risk. Japanese walking is moderate intensity. If your knees are sensitive, then start slow intervals, use soft shoes, and walk on flat ground. Even 1 minute fast, 2 minutes slow works a lot. Now the final verdict, which burn more belly fat for seniors? And the answer is, Japanese walking wins for fat loss. But Tai Chi walking wins for balance, calm, and mental health. Now what should be the best strategy? The golden combo. In morning, Japanese walking for 20 to 30 minutes, and in evening, Tai Chi walking for 15 to 20 minutes. This gives fat burning, stress relief, joint protection, and better sleep at night. That's the complete guide for aging fitness. Remember, slow movement heals the body, but structured movement transforms it. If you're serious about losing belly fat naturally after 40, then hit the subscribe button and watch my other videos that must be popping up on your screen. See you in next video.